All right. So my name is Loren Foret. I am the husband of Jennifer Foret. Basically, I am a private worker, private citizen, so the state doesn't have much they can do to me, thank God. Unfortunately, there have been a lot of people that have been unable to speak out in regards to the actions taken by DHH and the Louisiana government in regards to this closure due to the fact that they're all terrified. The state has made it very, very toxic to a person's career to speak out against an action that the state is performing, which goes strictly against the right of petition and assembly. One thing that I would like to state while we're on the legal subject is Brad's bringing up all these laws that are being violated to benefit a private provider. One that I would like to bring up is the Louisiana Revised Statute 240 and Section 2115, subsection 10 and above. This section is cleverly hidden in the Louisiana Revised Statute and regards the transition and acquisition of a hospital between a public entity and a private entity. The state has made some comments conveniently during the State Civil Service Commission regarding the applicability of this law. And part of it is that a hospital is basically required to go through a public hearing provided by the Attorney General before it can be turned over. The core of this law is that it must be in public interest before a public hospital can be turned over to a private provider. These public hearings were not done on behalf of the state. The reasoning that they are stating this is because in their mind, they are not going through a transition. The hospital is being shut down. This was stated on public record by the State Civil Service Commission. It is my opinion on this particular action that this is an action to subvert law. And we have seen many, many examples of this happen. It just seems that our public leaders are working outside of the system and are trying to make the system work against itself for their own benefit, for the benefit of providers that are able to pay enough money to do such. This is not what our government was designed to do. This is not what laws are designed to do. We want accountability. We want the legislatures that we have put in office to do their job, to protect us, to act and say that this is illegal, that what the state is doing is subverting their own authority, subverting the authority of the legislation, basically tying their hands and making them unable to act in the interest of the public. That's all I have to say.